In this video, you're going to learn about alternating even and odd table colors for a table in Bubble. To get started with that, let's head over to our Bubble editor where we'll take a look at our repeating group. So you'll notice that in my repeating group, I already have all of the elements inside of the cell grouped into one main group. You're going to want to do that because that is where we're going to apply the styling for the background to alternate even and odd for the background color. Now, prior to that, I'm going to give you a quick tip on if you would like a header like this. The way to do that is just add a group to your repeating group, and at the top, for just give it a some kind of perhaps contrast. What you'll want to do with that header is that if the index is not 1, you just hide it and then make sure that collapse when hidden is checked, and you'll get this nice header that only shows up in the first row of the first cell of the repeating group. So next up, let's learn how to add a background to alternate the even and odds for this repeating group. So what we're going to want to do is when we're setting conditional here for when this is true. So when this cell's index modulo, and then you can pick any number here in terms of what module does. All module does is it checks against this index and then it divides it by whatever number you're choosing. So this could be 3. In fact, let's even try that out. And then if the modulo is 0, so this is going to be every third one, what we're going to do is we're going to change the background style to a flat color. Then we're going to change the background color to, I think, F7, something like that. And then we're going to add a border roundness to it as well. Because if you'll notice, well, let's just refresh. We'll take a look. It's got this nice little thing going on there. So you can see that modulo did its special thing. And so I suppose if you're creating different types of tables and your tables are organized by groups of 3 or groups of something that is particularly that way, you could do that. So I just wanted to show that off, that it's not just follow this exact formula, it's also just know that this is what this operator does here in Bubble. So cool, increasing your knowledge. And then I just want to point out that what this is saying is that, so in row 2, this is true, so it's going to do this. Now, if we wanted to make this odds, we would just simply do this. But, that's not what you came here for. So really, the key to all this is simply go with this conditional here, and you'll get the desired effect. So if you like this quick tip, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more tips on building stuff in Bubble.